So Ian, this looks like a perfectly packaged little product that you have in front of you.
How very kind. A friend of mine on the Steampunk circuit, Victoria, is celebrating a special birthday.
A milestone birthday.
A milestone birthday. And she asked me to make her a journal with butterflies and with peonies, because she loves peonies.
Yes, I think Vicky had seen some of the smaller mini journals that you'd made previously.
Yeah.
And absolutely adored it, but wanted one
personalised,
a bit more floweriness.
So I'll just talk you through this, and then we'll have a chat all about it.
Absolutely. So do we know what milestone? Or we're not going to say.
I'd rather not say. I don't want my head kicking in. So to start with, we have the bookmark tag.
Beautiful.
Personalised with a V for Victoria.
I'm liking the vintageness of it.
It's nice. It's not overly top. It's quite clean vintage, but pretty vintage.
It's clean grunge.
Vintage vibe.
Yeah, clean grunge.
Clean grunge.
Like
then we have the peonies on the front.
They're beautiful. Those illustrations are just stunning.
They're gorgeous, aren't they? They're all watercoloured.
Yes, I like the little butterflies that you've got scattered amongst there as well.
It's called perfect peonies.
Yes, but also in there you've got feathers, haven't you?
You have.
So there's some feathers
and leaves, etc. So we'll open up.
Nice.
All the pages have been in the oven. Crinkled in the oven.
Not tea-dyed because it's parchment
No,
paper.
it's always parchment. I prefer parchment, to be honest. Okay, so we have the little pockets. That's honour. Honour. And then each one of the cards features an illuminated letter in a different frame.
Well, that's posh.
So we have L for love, and we have somewhere to write on the back.
And that beautiful little butterfly again.
I mean, how pretty are they?
And you can see the feathers in there, can't you? Just there and there.
And little berries and feathers.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. All the illustrations are different, aren't they? They're all clustered differently.
Yes, they are.
Slightly different colour variations in them. It's like this one here. You've got like bits of lilac in there, but you've still got the peonies. And look at that dragonfly.
Dragonfly's lovely, isn't he?
I love that dragonfly.
So then we start with the pages. They're all been in the oven. I mean, the illustrations are stunning on these.
And they work really, really well with the parchment, the cream colour of the parchment. Very tactile.
Oh, very. And the colours of the text all tie in with the colours of the leaves or the colours of the peonies.
You've sampled the colour of the text from the illustrations themselves, so it all ties together nicely.
And this one's for sweet, and it's got the little dragonfly on it. We have A for adventure.
A steampunk adventure.
Yep.
Because, of course, flowers and the Victorians very much an important
the vintage vibe.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And, of course, the Victorians had their own kind of like floral secret message kind of language, didn't they?
And look at this
certain
one.
flowers meant certain things.
That one's...
Look at them feathers.
And that's one of the tall journaling cards.
Can I just do this? Because it looks like a snitch now. Golden snitch. Floral snitch.
Floral snitch.
Harry Potter reference there.
Yes. And see, that's the full frame without the...
Beautiful. Little berries in there as well, look. I like the fact that there's all sorts of different elements to this, like the butterfly in there, you've got the little like ferny elements, sprigs, and it's like a proper floral spray, isn't it?
Yes,
like
it is.
Like a floral arrangement you'd spend a fortune for.
Yeah, and then we have another one with the peony and the...
Beautiful.
Again there's the lilac on the back.
I'm not a big fan of purple, as everybody knows. Although I've been following me for a while now, but it's actually your favourite colour, isn't it?
My favourite colour. I have a purple jacket that I wear occasionally. There we are. And I love the blue.
Yeah.
Because the blue ties in with the blue of the butterflies and the white of the peonies.
And also the blue of the other.
Yeah. Then we have the...
Love it. But I like the berries again.
Yeah.
You know, that kind of...
C for creative. Again, slightly different.
Stunning. What more can one say but stunning?
I love... Well, you love that one, don't you?
I love the heart.
E for explore. But the heart is made up of all the different flowers.
Yeah, and purposefully knocked. If it looks a bit washed out, that's deliberate so that you can write over the top.
Yeah, I mean, look at that.
I know. Again, you've got the berries in there, you've got the feathers in there, you've got the flowers in there, there's butterflies in there. You could spend ages looking at it and finding different things in there.
What gets me is, even if you come up really close, look at that detail. Yeah. They are stunning,
it is
these.
Beautiful. Just do it slowly.
Woo, a bit dizzy.
Autofocus.
Yeah, sorry. And then things to remember.
Yep. And again, I like the fact that you've got the same colours in these...
lozenges, I think they call them.
And it's kind of vintagey looking.
Yeah.
Well, modern.
Yeah.
But retro.
Yeah. Modtro.
There you go.
A neologism, I believe it's called.
That's right, yes. A new word.
Then we have the Garden of Your Dreams.
Yeah.
do not forget, I mean, that's beautiful at the bottom.
It is. Lovely clusters. And
my favourite spread is coming up now.
Yeah.
I love this.
Oh, yeah.
I love this.
Love these dragonflies. And what I like about these journals, when you do them, is the fact that you include lined pages, you include the graph paper so people can do bullet journaling, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Or even draw little diagrams and stuff out of them. But you also include 1 or 2 blank pages so people can use it for little doodly bits on, or sticking photographs in of loved ones.
In the garden of your dreams again.
Yep.
The pages go through to the middle and they go backwards again, if you see what I mean.
Yeah, so you get the same thing repeated but in the other order.
Memories.
Those cards on their own are just gorgeous.
Lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
And then we have friendship. And a little white. Peonies are beautiful.
I think Vicky's going to absolutely adore this.
I think she is. So we have that. Coming towards the back. We have 1 more card. I mean, that's beautiful. That's You just get a different feel when you put a pocket on.
Yeah, it's just the frame around the whole thing.
Works so well.
And if you take that out and put something else in the pocket, you can still write above it.
Put a little secret pocket.
Yeah.
There's nothing to stop you putting 2 or 3 things in here. Make your own little messages.
Yeah, that's true.
And tuck them in.
Yeah. So we'll just go back a second. See what I mean there about there's enough room there to actually pop a little photograph in of a favourite, a child or fur baby. Or God forbid, your partner.
Yeah.
Or a loved parent or grandparent or whatever.
Shine.
Mm-hmm.
As we come to the back, we have family and joy.
Oh, not necessarily mutually.
Not necessarily together. And then we've got the tag. But I made this for Victoria. Been thinking.
Have you? That's dangerous.
I have. What we could do is offer this for anybody who'd like one, personalised for them. So if they're called Nancy or Louise or Betty or Gail or whatever the name is, I will personalise it for the front.
Right, okay.
So they'll get the name, this is Victoria's. If you're called Jane, if you're called Amanda, if you're called Betty, the name will appear in there. So if you're a Jane, Jane will go there. You'll have a J illuminated letter. This journal belongs to Jane.
Right.
So basically, it is yours, and it will be it will have your name on it, or a name of somebody who you'd like to give it to. And
as a gift.
As a gift, because I don't like to use this word, ladies and gentlemen.
You're not going to, are you?
The C word.
Oh no!
Christmas.
It's coming.
Well, I know we're coming to the end of June, and we were just talking about it this morning. It's only going to start getting colder.
Well, it's the 30th of June today, so as of tomorrow, we're
slipping towards Christmas.
We're slipping towards Christmas.
So what I'm thinking is, off the top of my hairdo, is not hairdo, but hairdo.
Yeah.
Is that you could buy this for someone for Christmas, order it, get it delivered, put it away, one less person on your list.
Absolutely.
These are only going to be on the website for probably about a month, and I'll move on to something else. So I think you need to get, if you'd like, you're interested.
Okay, so how are they going to let you know what the name is? Because obviously, if person X buys one for person
Y
or Y,
that's right. So if Julie's bought it, say Julie's ordered it, and she wants it for Tracy, what she does is when she comes to the checkout, there is an optional box that says put your phone number in,
which you don't have
to do. It's an option.
Right.
In there, just type the name you want to go in. Please get the spellings right, because we will be copying it directly from there onto the journal and onto the tag.
Right, and that is really important. I know it sounds daft, but there are so many multiple different spellings of the same names, like Tracy, Jane, Lisa. Yeah, can be spelt with an E.
And my friend Shireen's got 2 E's in her name.
Exactly. So to you it might seem logical, but to us it might not. So whatever goes in that box is going to have to be what you put on there.
Yeah.
So because we can't be contacting people and saying, can I just check the spelling?
Yeah.
Because we just don't have time to do that kind of stuff.
If you're uncertain or you're not sure, and you've ordered it, you order it, drop me a quick email through the website. Say you've ordered it. Put your name on the order, who you are.
Yeah.
Because sometimes people's emails don't match the orders.
So if it's a tricky spelling.
Yeah.
Put it in the order,
but
just send us another email saying the spelling is correct.
Yeah. Yeah. But I think that for a present for someone for Christmas.
Yeah, but I mean, if it's a name like birthday. If it's a name like Bob.
Yeah, or Stan.
I don't think we'll get that wrong.
You never know. Before I forget, the cover is 400-gram craft card.
Yes.
And it will have a Verne Industries studio label on the back.
Yep.
And it's held together by black knicker elastic. But it's not knicker elastic, is it?
Well, it could be.
Depends how big your knickers are.
Let's not go.
Let's not go there after we weighed ourselves yesterday.
So, a beautiful new project.
It's very tactile, very lovely.
So, will we be making any of these ephemera bits available as a download maybe later on?
Maybe later on, not yet. Hello, Bentley.
That's not Bentley squeaking. He is causing the squeak.
He's got Teddy.
Yeah, he's got Teddy. Yeah, so because we've got lots of stuff that we're working on currently for commissions and journals and that kind of stuff.
We have.
So this probably will go as a digi-download, but maybe not for another week or so.
Not for a couple of weeks, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And I've also got to share with you, in a couple of weeks, we have the Steampunk Marvellous Magical Mechanical Menagerie.
Really?
Yeah, Steampunk Animals.
Sounds good. Is that all you're going to say for the minute?
So I'm going to say for the moment, Steampunk Marvellous Mystical Mechanical Menagerie. That's a lot of ms.
That really is a mouthful.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching.
Excellent stuff. So don't forget, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already,
share the love.
Yes. Then you can do so by clicking the button at the end of the video. That's all from us for now.
See you again real soon.
Bye
for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.